Today, I'm going to teach you how to insert a plus or minus symbol in Google Sheets. This is particularly useful when you're working with mathematical data, scientific calculations, or presenting results that have a margin of error. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're on this page, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Google Workspace or the account where your spreadsheets are stored. This step is essential to access all your files and documents. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google apps and recent files are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to insert the plus or minus symbol. Simply click on it to open the file. If you don't see it immediately on the dashboard, you can search for it using the search bar at the top or navigate through your Google Drive folders to find it. Once your spreadsheet is open, you'll see the familiar grid layout of rows and columns. Now comes the key part of this process. Click on the cell where you want the plus or minus symbol to appear. This could be any cell in your sheet depending on where you need to display the symbol in your data. With the cell selected, you're going to type a specific formula. Start by typing equals sign char followed by an opening parenthesis, so you'll type equals sign char and then open parenthesis. This char function is what allows you to insert special characters using their Unicode number. Next, type 177 inside the parentheses. This number represents the plus or minus symbol in the character set. Finally, close the formula with a closing parenthesis. Your complete formula should read equals sign char open parenthesis 177 close parenthesis. Now that you've entered the formula, simply hit the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you press Enter, Google Sheets will process the formula and display the plus or minus symbol in that cell. You'll notice the formula disappears from view and is replaced by the actual symbol itself, which looks like a plus sign above a minus sign. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a plus or minus symbol into your Google Sheets document. This method works consistently across any Google Sheets file and can be used whenever you need to represent uncertainty or variance in your data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.